Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today Ascension Day. Yes, it's a Thursday, May the 9th, 2024. And I've told you yesterday we have no newspaper on Ascension Day. So what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles, not of yesterday or the day before or on Monday, because those days has no additional. The last one we have additional is on Saturday. Yes, the weekend edition. Weekend edition, May the 4th, 2024. We have 5 puzzles left. The 2 stars, the binary, 10 by 10, and we have here 3 in the additional, the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku. All right, 5 puzzles for today, and the puzzles I've left are quite easy to solve, so I've decided a couple of weeks ago or month, I will not do the rest of the puzzles, but in this case we have no newspaper today, so that's the reason that I solve the rest of the puzzles. All right, the 2 stars puzzle number 8500. Yes, 8500. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one is an easy one. 36 printed digits should be an easy one. Well, the 2 stars usually has 26 printed digits. 26. Well, this one has 36. 10 printed digits more. Usually for 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 2 stars, but a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 3? There's a lot of 3s. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, I cannot continue with the 3. All right, chosen the wrong number. Okay. How about the number? The number. Well. 7 in this row. 7 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Okay, now I can continue with the 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. How about the 1 in this column? 1 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 1, okay. Cannot continue with the 1. Alright. Well, in this column, we need a 1. 4 missing numbers in the middle column. This box can be a 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. That box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. So the one in the middle column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another one in the last row. No one there. One should be there. Now I cannot continue with the one. How about the numbers? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this column, so no 4 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 9 goes at there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the 7 goes there. Well, today is really a session day. You can hear the clocks of the church. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can not see, no. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright, digit number 4, digit number 2, number 4. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next, so in that column, only place left for the 5, it should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 5, it should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5, should be here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the last, in the third row, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This number 4, number 8. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can't see. Digit number 5, number 9. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 6 in this row, third row, 6 in the second row, from the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Wow! Told you. Should be 0 stars. Yeah. Faster than 14, 30 minutes. Should be 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle in this puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.